Hey you guys, welcome to Beyond Bliss. I am Jayashree, and if you are new here, I create famous beauty blogger, makeup artists and celebrity inspired makeup looks along with my creations and honest product reviews. And let me tell you all, my channel is completely cruelty free. You'll see only cruelty free brands on my channel right here. So if you're interested in such content, definitely subscribe to my channel and also give this video a big thumbs up if you like. So guys, my face base is already done. As you can see, it looks completely flawless. Soon I'll show you all how I do it. So anyways, let's move on with the eyes. So I got this pamphlet with the Too Faced eyeshadow palette, and they have got this amazing eyeshadow look going on over here. Like, as I saw this, I was like, oh my god, I need to try it out. So this is called as Peach After Dark. So it's really nice and pretty. So I thought, why not do it? So it is done with only 3 eyeshadows, and I'm sure most of you all will have these colors in your eyeshadow palette. So let's just begin with our eye look. Guys, as a transition shade, I'm going to use this shade right here, which is called as Peach Butter, and I'm going to apply that all over my eyelids. I'm not going to apply a lot of it. Guys, make sure whenever you're applying your eyeshadow, your mirror literally should be this close so that you know what's going on. Always transition color should be lighter. I'm gonna do one eye first, then off camera I'll do the other eye. So now they say, just a little more. Okay guys, so the first step is to apply Just Peachy from crease to brow. So Just Peachy is this shade right here. It is a nice warm tone light pink. And I'm going to take this fluffy big brush and take Just Peachy on it. Always remove the excess. And then apply it from my crease. So crease is this crease, and carry it upwards till my brow. But I won't take it till here, like I'll just stay till here. So I'm gonna do this in a windshield motion. Windshield मतलब जो कार पे windshield होता है ना, वो कैसे बारिश में से टिंग 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 होता है, वैसे वाला windshield. Always keep building up the color. जितना चाहिए उतना ही use करो, and हम उसको build कर सकते हैं, तो don't worry about that. If you feel like it's not that pigmented at first, it's okay. That's how you're gonna keep learning and growing. Just remember, we are not makeup artists. Let makeup artists do their job. We are learning from them. Teacher आखिर teacher ही होता है. So now the second step is sweep peach punch into crease and blend upward. So that is the second step, and peach punch is their dark pink color on the palette, which is this one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this brush from Nykaa. The other one was from Shein. So that was like a dupe of Wet n Wild. So just use whatever brush you're comfortable with. So I'm going to take this one from Nykaa. I'm going to remove the excess. And I'm going to apply this, as they said, on my crease and push it upwards. So I won't take it in my brows like the earlier shade. So this will just go slightly upwards towards my brows. This is my crease. So now I have got smaller eyes, okay, and they're like deeply sunk in. So what I like to do is I like to apply it a little bit above my crease to give me an illusion of a higher crease. Ooh, this color is so good. Firstly, the pigment of these colors are so amazing. That's what I'm telling you. If you like neutral shades and you're okay with spending so much, go ahead and buy this. It's crazy. So my crease is over here, but I'm doing it a little bit higher. This color is blending so beautifully. So for the next step, they say press Peach Sangria onto lid and blend it into crease. So here, this is the third step, and Peach Sangria is this nice sangria colored pink right here. And I'm going to use this fluffy brush from Wet n Wild, and let's take this. Remove the excess because this is a dark color, so I don't want excess fallout or just like pigment on my face. What is So anyways, as they say, I'm supposed to first pat it. So let's pat this color. The fragrance of this palette is literally so good. I feel like if I'm wearing this eyeshadow outside, I'll tell my friends come and take the fragrance of my eyes. Like, it's that good. And as they said, I'm going to just move it upwards till my crease, but not above my crease. So for this time, I will let this color stay on my actual crease. So pretty. This is so pretty, you guys. So pretty. You know what? For patting, I think I'll use this Wet n Wild flat brush and just pat this on. Yeah. And guys, literally no fallout. Great. Now I'm going to take the same fluffy brush and just blend it upwards. Now they also say that I'm supposed to apply Peach Sangria on my lower lash line as well. So let's do that. So I'll do that with this flat brush itself. Oh, this color is so pigmented. Great. I like it. So good. I'm going to flick it outwards a bit. I'm going to take this brush which I had used to apply Peach Punch, and then again just a little intensify it. So these colors get nicely blended together. Yes, look at that. So good. I am obsessed with this eyeshadow look. You can keep repeating this step until you feel like all the colors are, nicely blended together. Now going back to the first shade, which is just Peachy, I'm just going to diffuse it right on top. And now I'll take it till my brows, like completely. And right over here near the edge. Beautiful, you guys. So now I'll quickly do my other eye and be right back. So now for the eyeliner part, I won't use the eyeliner. I'm going to take the darkest shade of the palette, which is called as Chocolate Dipped. And I'm going to create an eyeliner with this. I'm going to take this flat brush from Miniso, and it's an angled brush. I'm just going to take the darkest shade, remove the excess, and then just create a very tiny wing. It's your choice. Whatever wing looks good on you, just go ahead, do that. I have smaller eyes and they cover up my eyeliner, and I don't know, it just doesn't complement my eyes, so I just like to keep it short. So we are done with the eyeshadow, you guys. It's so good. I am loving it. Like, it's so amazing. I have never tried something like this, and it has turned out so flawless, and I'm so happy with how it looks like. So let's move on to the rest of our face and just get done with this. As I said, I'm already done with my base, so I am left with a little bit of bronzing. So I'm going to use this Colorbar Matteillusion blush in Fallen Leaves. And I'm going to take this brush from Miniso, and so pretty. So I'm just going to bronze my face with this, just a little, not a lot. Apply a little on my jawline as well. I just love doing this, like connecting both sides of your blushes together. It gives such a nice look. For my highlighter, I'm going to use the OFRA highlighter in the shade Blissful. And I'm going to apply it with my finger itself, but very little. I want to keep this look kind of matte. Just very little. To give me a little bit of shine. Yeah, good. Yeah, I like that. I like that. On my nose and over here on my lips. I'll just blend it all in with a fluffy brush. So now for setting all the powders, I'm going to use the Samshbox Photofinish Primer Water. This is the mini version of it. Okay guys, so for my mascara, I'm going to use the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. And this is a mini version of it. Lip liner in the shade Applause. Nykaa matte lipstick, and this is in the shade Dirty Peach. This is the finished look, you guys. As you can see, it has turned out so well. This is completely out of the box, okay? Like I haven't done anything like this, and I'm sure if you haven't and you try this, you're going to love it. Now I have applied this. I feel like applying this again and again and again. Like I can wear this, see myself wearing this during the daytime and nighttime both, and I am obsessed, guys. This is really good, and plus this eyeshadow palette is also amazing. So yeah, that was also today's video, and if you like it, definitely give this a big thumbs up. And guys, also there are I think 2 more eyeshadow looks over here, so if you want to see, definitely subscribe to my channel and let me know if you want to. Okay, so without any further video khatam ho raha hai. So bye guys, see you in the next video. Bye bye.